Namaste. I am JVN Indu from Department of Science and Technology. DST comes under the Faculty of Education and Methodology. In previous session, as I had discussed air conditioning requirements, false flooring, false ceiling. Today I will discuss about fire protection system. Fire protection systems reduce damage to the building, expensive equipment, documents and inventory. Fire suppression systems are designed specifically for protecting sensitive electronic equipment from a fire. Firstly, we see fire alarm system, a system that consists of component and circuit arranged to monitor and enunciate the status of fire alarm, of supervisory signal, of initiating devices and to appropriate response to this signal. Next, we see the basic component of fire alarm system. In fire alarm system, there are 4 basic components. First is control panel, second is communications, third is initiating devices, fourth is notification appliances. So firstly we will discuss about control panel. A component of fire alarm system that receives signals from initiating devices and process. So control panel is a component of fire alarm system that receives signals from initiating devices and process them. Second is communications. If any incident occur in communication system, then it directly inform to operator. Third is initiating devices. In fire alarm system, initiating devices are the system components that originates transmission of a change of state condition, or we can say a system component that originates transmission of a change of state condition, that is initiating device. In initiating devices, let's see smoke detector. A smoke detector is a device that senses smoke, typically as an indicator of fire. It is an automatic initiating device. Next is heat detector. A heat detector is a device designed to respond when the thermal energy of a fire increases the temperature of a heat sensitive element. It is an automatic initiating device. The fourth component of a fire alarm system is notification appliances. A fire alarm system components such as bell, horn, speaker, or test display that provides audible or visible outlets. So, we discussed about fire alarm system. In fire protection system, next we will discuss about fire sprinkler system. The fire sprinkler system is an automatic sensitive fixed fire fighting system which can be installed in any high-rise building, industry, and any other premises where there is a risk of fire. Next, we will discuss about body parts of sprinkler system. So, deflector, temperature sensitive glass tube, and sealing or cap are the body parts of a sprinkler system. The liquid within the ample of the sprinkler head is a mixture of alcohol and water or glycerin and water. So, there are three body parts of a sprinkler system. First is reflector, second is temperature sensitive glass tube, and third is sealing or cap. Now, see the types of fire sprinkler system. There are different types of fire sprinkler depending upon atmospheric temperature. They are identified by different color coding, and each color coding have its own meaning. First, we see orange glass bulb sprinkler system. The maximum temperature of orange glass bulb sprinkler is 57 degree centigrade. When the temperature exceeds above the 57 degree centigrade, then the orange glass bulb sprinkler system will burst and starts the fire protection. Orange glass bulb commonly used in living home and offices. Second sprinkler system is black glass bulb sprinkler system. The maximum temperature of black glass sprinkler is 204 or 260 degrees Celsius. The processing, or you can say that the working of black glass bulb sprinkler system will be same as the orange glass bulb sprinkler system, but the basic difference between the orange glass bulb and black glass bulb sprinkler system is the temperature. The orange glass bulb sprinkler system has 57 degree Celsius temperature, but the black glass bulb sprinkler system has the maximum temperature of black glass bulb is 204 degrees Celsius or 260 degrees Celsius. Black glass bulb commonly used in oil refinery and metal melted and for casting in different shapes and sizes. Next sprinkler system is green glass bulb. The maximum temperature of green glass bulb sprinkler is 93 degrees Celsius. This system commonly used in kitchens of hotel and large workshop. Next sprinkler system is yellow glass bulb. The maximum temperature of yellow glass bulb sprinkler is 79 degrees Celsius. Yellow glass bulb sprinkler system commonly used in kitchen and small workshops. Next sprinkler system is blue glass bulb sprinkler system. The maximum temperature of blue glass bulb sprinkler system is 141 degrees Celsius. This is commonly used in industry and chemical plant. Next sprinkler system is red glass bulb sprinkler system. The maximum temperature of red glass bulb sprinkler system is 68 degrees Celsius. It is commonly used in living home and offices. So today I discussed about fire protection systems. In fire protection systems, we discussed about fire alarm system and fire sprinkler system. So next we see the difference between fire sprinkler system and fire suppression system. The basic difference is a sprinkler system uses water as an agent for extinguishing a fire. Fire sprinklers are one of the most common forms of fire protection and are very effective at putting out fires. A fire sprinkler is activated when heat or smoke is detected, and it will then discharge water to extinguish a fire in the affected area. But a fire suppression systems do not use water to put out a fire. Fire suppression systems often use chemical, gaseous or foam agents to extinguish a fire. The second difference is the sprinklers are versatile and well suited for a variety of applications, whereas fire suppression systems are used in environments where valuable equipment and unique assets, museums, art galleries are present. So these are the basic differences between the fire sprinkler systems and fire suppression systems. So today we discussed about fire protection system. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.